Happy Wednesday. Good morning.
Alright guys, what up? It's currently 7 a.m. I gotta say, man, I slept like 2.5 hours. I went to sleep at 3 or 2 a.m. and I woke up at 5:30 a.m. But you know, we gotta grind. And right now, I'm gonna record bunch of videos for the like educational videos. I'm gonna make sure that everybody will learn the strategy. Everybody will turn profitable. Obviously, there's lots of success already, but I wanna increase the odds for them to succeed. But yeah, I'm gonna record a bunch of content in there. But yeah, literally, I drank 2 coffees already. I got my big energy drink right here. Slept 3 hours. And some of y'all may think like, oh yeah, just chill, bro. You're so young. Just, have some sleep. Just, man, I got no time to chill. Yo, I just recorded like 5. Literally, I was recording like almost 2 hours. I recorded like 5 educational short bangers, like explaining the strategy well in the Discord. Because literally, I just want to make sure that everybody inside the community will learn. But yeah, man, and I just also answered this guy. I have these trade reviews also. I let people to send their trades and I'll review them, because obviously why not? And obviously because they learn from me and then just they implement it to the markets as well. Yeah, but yeah guys, today we're not gonna live trade in the Discord because today is actually US bank holiday. So that's why I'm working a lot, just doing a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, man, working hard, and now I'm gonna edit some videos a lot. So yeah, man, but I'm just working. Gotta make sure that everybody makes money inside of the community. That's like my job also. 'Cause it feels good to make others make money. But anyways, no trading for today, but now I'm gonna edit some videos. Let's get it. Damn, bro, but those 2 hours of sleep are starting to hit, bro. Not hit necessarily. I'm not that tired, but literally my fucking eyes are, they're literally red from probably me not sleeping that much and watching the screen. Holy shit. But anyways, guys, now I'm gonna edit some videos once again, but because we gotta get this fucking work done, bro. I'm gonna play. All right, guys. I just finished up editing and cutting 2 of the educational videos that I will send to Discord. But yeah, bro, there's still some of those. But now I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna do a little workout, just some calisthenics, and then I'm gonna eat some food. You feel me? You know how it goes. But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even that tired. I may look tired, but I'm not even that tired, considering I slept like 2 or 3 hours. But she happens, bro. We have to do the work, and I have to fix my sleeping schedule. Hopefully this will fix it. Let's see. Okay. All right, guys, I just finished up editing and cutting all the 5 videos that I recorded today. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Those educational course, I'm just expanding the premium. Like, there's a live trading room and there's the education PDFs, and now there's gonna be the course too. Because why not? I want to make sure that everybody will learn and will have the things that is promised. Okay, so that's why I do this. Okay, listen clearly. Okay, this is a hidden message. Do not spread this. But since you made it this far, and there's gonna be a new update to this premium, you can use the code secret to get 50% off. 50% off. That's crazy. It's not gonna be for long. It's literally, I'm gonna remove it in days. But code secret. And obviously, how can you use the secret code? You have to go to the description, and it's the second link there. But yeah, it's low key. Yo, man, yesterday I recorded like 3 videos, or 4 videos. Just me talking to the camera, like those kind of videos. And today I recorded 5 videos. But that was for the course, for the education. But now I just edited 2, cut down to pieces, 2 of those videos that I recorded yesterday. Literally, guys, bro, I'm done with today. I'm gonna now eat some food, I'm gonna probably go for a little walk, guys. And after that, I'll make sure to plan my next day tomorrow in the Google Calendar, like step by step, what time. Because literally, I've found that so much more. I'm so much more productive when I do that shit. And all the successful people out there say that shit too. So I'm gonna do that too. You feel me? So now I made some food. Go for a little walk, you know. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. I cannot be done with today yet because once I come home, I have to edit this video. I mean, it's not gonna take that long. I just have to put these video pieces. But you know what? I love it, bro. I love to be productive. You know, feel me? Like, you know, feel good, bro. You know what? Damn, guys, I just finished up eating food. But look at this shit. Damn, pause this video, gang. 4 hours ago. Anyways, now, guys. Not the last step of the day. I'm gonna just go for a walk because I've been just fucking sitting in my house the whole fucking day working. But I'm gonna go outside, grab some air, bro, listen to some music or some podcast, I don't know. Then I'm gonna come back home, finish this video. Yeah, but this video is literally to motivate you guys and literally to get you guys working, bro. Because okay, today is US bank holiday. I didn't trade today. But does it mean I'm gonna chill? Bro, we are on a mission, bro. What the fuck? We are on a mission. So why are you chilling? You do realize you're gonna say that shit over and over again. That's what I used to tell. I used to say like, yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. I got a year left. I'm so young. Hell nah, bro. I mean, I am young, yes, but time moves hella fast nowadays. So lock in, bro. I'm not fucking here to brag at you or anything that you're lazy, but you are late. Nah, I don't know. I assume because most of the people are, but you gotta fucking lock in, bro. Because trust me, bro. If you're a man and you lock in, it's fucking life is good then. Okay, let's get it. Yo, bro, I'm officially finished with the day. It's currently 9 p.m. Literally, I wanna go to sleep early because I slept so little today. But yeah, man, tomorrow we can live trade, etc. if we find a setup. But guys, what was I about to tell you? Yeah, I'm just trying to be real as possible with this one. I don't gotta, do some extra BS, like just being realistic, okay? But I know today I didn't record outside that much. I went outside, but I didn't record much, literally little to nothing. But anyways, guys, I'll see you on the other side.